So we've finished at the midway point. The important thing is went to the loo, had a cup of tea and a shortbread, so we're all ready to go. We're not going to spend a lot of time looking around the castle because the weather is absolutely terrible. So there's lots of classics here still, people coming and going, and we're setting off on the rest of the leg to Brighton. We've got a good selection of cars here. There's a Ferrari Mondial, Corvette Stingray, another Corvette Stingray. Oh, it's a big Lincoln, that's the American car. Big Lincoln, Triumph, Datsun 240Z, Triumph Spitfire. Really good selection of stuff here. So it's a pity about the weather really, but what can you do? Thank you. So yeah, we're back on the road now. Damon in his X19 is ahead of us again, so we'll be pootling along behind him. So goodbye to Chiddingstone Castle. We'll pop back again sometime and have a look when the weather is a bit nicer. I've got a stuck headlight.
Oh, I didn't see that, yeah. Do you want to stop?
There's not a lot I can do. Oh dear, first problem en route, headlight is stuck on half pop-up, which is a bit annoying. Hopefully it's not the motor. I'll have to manually wind it down when we get to Brighton. Just means it's going to be winking at everybody as they drive past. One eye up, one eye down. Lamborghini Jalpa. That sounded good. Ladies and gentlemen, we've gone wrong again. We're doing a U-turn. Oh, the fun of a classic car run. Everybody's doing a U-turn except for the modern cars, of course. We're still lost. There's a whole bunch of us here and we don't know where to go. So we're not sure what to do. Just again taking a wrong turn, we're all back on the right track we think. Heading to Brighton. It's what time is it now? 11:34 and we've done well, over 50 miles? More? Yeah. As you see, the weather is still grey, miserable, rainy, but going well. So yeah, we'll update again when we're getting close to Brighton. Okay, it's 11:32. We're about 3 miles from Brighton's city centre beachfront. We're still in our little convoy with the Mercedes, Aston Martin, Triumph, Citroen, X19, X19. So yeah, good bit of driving, nearly there. Looking forward to the grandstand finish. So as my glamorous assistant thinking, first classic car run.
I think we did well.
Yeah.
Yeah, just wish the weather was nicer.
Yeah. Yeah. Thanks for the navigating.
That's
Good job.
alright. If you'd have listened to me rather than following the cars in front, we wouldn't have gone wrong.
Yeah, we're assuming everybody else was right. We've made it! Hooray! We've got to the end of the rally. Whew, that was a good drive. Shame about the weather, but what can you do? Main thing is we made it, and the X19 performed really, really well with a small hiccup to the headlights. Hello there. Yes, yes. It's winking at everybody as it drives along.
Yeah, so you're definitely winking at people.
Yeah.
So, how long you had this vehicle?
Since June last year. Haven't had it that long.
And did you decide to buy a classic car to have some fun with, or was
Yeah, basically. Yeah. I had a Daimler V8 250 before this, so a bit of a change for a Brighton X19, but yeah.
Well, I must say, swapping a rather nice V8 for one of these. But these are a fabulous car, aren't they?
Yeah,
They certainly were a big change for Fiat, and they were very dynamic. It was really the problem with the rust that killed an awful lot of them.
Yes. Yeah, it does have a bit of rust here and there, but overall it's not too bad. It's a 1990, so it's pretty good condition overall. I've had a few rust bits cut out and replaced, and there's a few bits still to do, but overall it's not too bad for its age.
Excellent. Well, thank you very much. Lovely to see you.
Cheers.
Do go along the park up down the end. I'm sure there'll be a few people coming to see these, and I'm getting as rare as any these.
Thank you. Bye. Cool. It did well. So, thank you Gemini Events for a good rally. Thank you. Good job X19. You did well. And a burst for the loo again. What a surprise.